Along with those features, there's much more. We've also added a host of smaller enhancements to streamline your workflow.
So one of those new features is channel deskew. Channel deskew is something that's pretty important if you're making measurements on switch mode power supplies. Well, one channel is the switching voltage, the other channel is the switching current, but the probes have slightly different characteristics, slightly different propagation delay, so that you would need a channel deskew function to bring those channels together in perfect time alignment. So we can do that. I haven't actually got a current probe connected at the moment, but I can show you how it works with these two voltage probes. So what I'll do on channel B, go to the display pad there, deskew, I will turn it on, and then I can bring it back here, and you can see that the channel B is now going backwards in time, closer to the transition point on channel A. And that's fine. I can do it by those controls either side, left or right, or I can enter the box there and move it back and forth by scrolling the mouse. And as I get closer to the final point to get it precisely aligned, I can show another new feature of PicoScope 7. If I hold the Shift key down, now instead of a coarse control, I've reverted or adopted a fine control, so I get really precise control. And that fine and coarse control applies to the setting of any box, any calculator box in the whole of the PicoScope 7 user interface. And the final, actually rather small feature, but nevertheless important, is an addition that we made to the toolbar at the top here, much requested by end customers, and we've actually done it, and it is the default setup button. So hit the default setup button, and it tells you that the scope will be reset to factory default scope setup. Yes, I'll accept that, and that's exactly what it's done. So
Back to square one.
we're now back to square one.
So PicoScope 7 is now available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux users as a free update. And you can download it from our website to take advantage of all these new features. So go to the website below and we'll see you there.